Okay, question 7a is as follows. The following diagram is a quadrilateral with interior angles x degrees, 3x degrees, and x plus 3 degrees, where one of the exterior angle is 100 degrees. Okay, I'll go through the question again. The following diagram is a quadrilateral with interior angles x degrees, 3x degrees, and x plus 3 degrees, where one of the exterior angles is 100 degrees. Okay, so what I need you to do is just study the quadrilateral, which is down here, the one I've put in the box. So study it and look at that information, make sure you understand it fully. Like once I've done that, we go to the actual question, which is express in terms of x the sum of interior angles of the quadrilateral in its simplest form. Okay, so when they ask you to do this in its simplest form, they are trying to say in its lowest form, in other words. So the actual question is express in terms of x the sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral in its simplest form. So what we can do with this question first is we're going to write the entire expression which can help us to find the sum of this quadrilateral. Okay, so what we're going to write is x plus 3x plus x plus 3 plus, now here we want to find we want to write the value of the angle of this angle, the one I've marked there in blue. To find that, what we're going to do is we are going to subtract. Now here we should understand that this is the angle on a point. This is the angle on a point, or revolution angle, or the part of the revolution angle. Okay, so we can say angle on a point add up to 360 degrees. Since there is 100 degrees of exterior angle, together the exterior and interior angle, they should give you 360 degrees. So the difference of 100 degrees and 360 degrees is equal to the interior angle. So when we subtract 100 degrees from 360, it will give you 260 degrees. So that is the value of that angle. So we say plus 260 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, now once we have written this expression, the first thing we need to do is we need to evaluate x plus 3, the one which is in brackets. Okay, so what we are going to do, we're going to write x plus 3x, then we evaluate that. So it's more or less like we're multiplying 1 by x and 1 by 3. So 1 by x will give us x, then 1 by 3 will give us 3, plus 260 degrees, which will give us 260 degrees, which will give us 360 degrees. Like once we have done that, then we put like terms together. Like enough, they are just grouped according to their likeness. So we just add x plus 3x plus x will give us 5x. Then 3 plus 260 will give us 263. 263, which will be equal to 360 degrees. Okay, now next we put like terms together. That means we're going to remain with 5x is equal to 360 degrees minus 263 degrees, which will give us 5x is equal to 97 degrees. Okay, then what we can do now here, we can ask ourselves, is there any number that can go into that? There is any number that can go into 5 and 97 without leaving a remainder. There is no number that can go into that. So you can still submit this as the final answer. However, if they want you to write your answer even in decimal numbers, then we can divide both sides by 5 so that x can remain alone. So we are going to divide 5x by 5 and 97 by 5, which will give us 5x divided by 5 will give us x. 97 divided by 5 will give us 19.4. Okay, 19.4 degrees, that is the value of x. So now we have expressed the sum of angles in terms of x. So that is the correct answer.